Welcome everyone to another airdrop alpha video. I, Anthony, will be your host for today's video. Please consider subscribing to my channel to join the community. Let's begin without delay. This video focuses on the latest confirmed SWELL Airdrop. Exciting news as the much anticipated second largest airdrop is now open for claims. The link to check your eligibility is in the description. Once you're there, link your wallet to verify your eligibility. For a better chance, it is advisable to hold liquid restaked tokens. Personally, I have already obtained some SWEth. Within minutes, I successfully claimed my portion, ensure to have enough Ethereum to cover all gas fees. Now, let's delve into the project itself. Swell Network serves as a liquid staking platform that enables users to generate passive income through staking or restaking ETH. Staking involves locking a specific amount of ETH to support transaction validation on the Ethereum blockchain. As a result, users receive rewards. This serves as a brief overview. For more details, feel free to explore the project further. If you've reached this point, please like and share the video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.